Hi, this is Carla with glutenfreerecipebox.com, and I just want to show you with this new milk bread, which is basically a brioche, but this is a dairy-free version. You can make it either dairy-free or not. I want to show you how you get a smooth top on these here. Now see, these two, not so smooth, but I finally figured out how to do it. So anyway, so you want to use about a half a cup of dough, slightly more. You want to put it on a bunch of potato starch. You don't have to scrape the whole thing out, so you get basically a half a cup. I put about a tablespoon of potato starch on top, pat it on the sides and the top, use a bench press, a dough scraper, and you just take all these creases. If there's creases in it, like here's a crease, you want to keep on tucking that crease underneath. Here's a crease. Tuck it underneath till you have a nice smooth top. There's a hole there, so I'm just gonna smooth it out, pat it with a little more starch, and just stretch it smooth on top. This has been out of the refrigerator for a while, so now it's getting a little sticky. You have to make 12 balls. Unless you leave the dough in the fridge, it makes it a little harder to deal with towards the end. And that's it. This one's been rising. Out of the 12 balls, I started with this one, so it's been rising probably for 15 minutes. So you want to make sure you get it in this pan, which is an 8x4, which is perfect for it, but I didn't have two of these. It'll rise nicely over the pan, where if you're making a 9x5, it won't rise as high. As you can see, this is definitely gluten-like bread. It has a soft, semi-soft top and a crisp ends, crisp bottom.